Lust, anger, greed gradually go away from him who leads a spiritual life.
And why school does, the university, when I teach metaphysical psychology, is to reconnect with that silent voice, the voice that whispers. We got so much noise going on in our heads that we don't listen to the whisper that the true self essentially has a conversation with us. It is constantly having a conversation with us, but we're not listening. We're too busy listening to what the thoughts are saying, and these thoughts are artificial. They're trapped in time. They're always looking for attention, but you're never examining them for whether or not they even are worthy of staying in there. They're still in there. You got thoughts tinged with emotions of hate, emotions of greed, emotions of jealousy, and each one of your thoughts has an imprint of an emotional signature. And each one of these thoughts are essentially emotionally motivating you to consistently feed them. And the more you feed a thought, the stronger it grows. And the more it grows, the more locked into that you become. The more judgmental you become, the more defensive you become.
I have all the characteristics of a human being. Flesh, blood, skin, hair. But not a single clear, identifiable emotion, except for greed and disgust.
Once you come to the stillness in your mind and in your heart, and you examine your thoughts, you do an inventory of your thoughts to see what it is that will enhance you, that will support you, that will nurture you, and then leave all the other thoughts that want the attention, and they'll start to die. My father always say, you want to get rid of an evil, put something good in its place. It always, because evil needs a lot of energy to exist. Because it's so contrary to the balance of Ma'at. It needs a lot of energy. So the less energy you give to that thought that you know doesn't belong there, the more it will scream the way that an appetite or the way that a drug addict would always go into the bends and have withdrawal symptoms. That's what happens to you when you have withdrawn from your thoughts that keep you locked into a specific paradigm of thinking. You go through withdrawal pains. But then you begin to lose people who are connected to those thinking, that thought. You begin to lose friends, and your friends get whittled down to maybe one or two people that you could actually have a conversation with without worrying about them giving you and dumping all kind of crap on you.
So all your friends have left you alone? They're not my friends, not really. Just distraction.